Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to Kashmir, but first we have a flight to Delhi in Vistara's business class from Terminal 2. I am excited, let's start the journey. So guys, now we are at the Terminal 2 of Bangalore International Airport. So let's head inside. We got our ticket. So let's head inside. So guys, now we are done with the security check and we are heading to 080 lounge. Guys, now we are at the 080 lounge and let me show you. And I'll update you when we are going to the gate. But before, let's get our food. So guys, I'll update you after I eat my food. So guys, I ate my food and now we are heading to the gate. Gate number is D8 and we are heading there. I see two Air India Airbus A320's. I have the same plane model. Check out that video of unboxing them. Link in the description. Guys, we are at our gate and I'll update you when the boarding starts. The plane arrived. So guys, the plane arrives and let's wait another century for the passengers to deboard.
One eternity later.
Boarding has started and now we are heading into the plane. There's one good thing that we don't have to wait in line because we are flying business class. So that's a good thing. Guys, we are going. So guys, this is our seat. So guys, we got served by this orange juice and this cold towel. Guys, after I have set the camera, looks good. Let's wait for our departure. Guys, this is how the tray table comes out. just to recline the seat. So guys, I have a pillow, and to get the blanket you have to ask, so I got this. Look, it even has a Vistara logo. Guys, I got my first meal served. This is paneer bhurji, something like that, but it looks good. I'm done with the meal. It was delicious. I ate too much, to be honest. I'll show you the outside view. Guys, if you're bored, you can connect to this Vistara World's Wi-Fi, and then you can watch multiple movies on, listen to songs, even find our plane on the map. So guys, we have landed and parked at the Terminal 3 of Indira Gandhi International Airport. Let's get out. Although I don't want to get out, I have to. Guys, that's it for today. This is just a part 1 of traveling to Kashmir. Stay tuned for part 2. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I'll see you next time. Till then, peace.